Hi and welcome back to McGinn's Woodshop. Beautiful sunny day outside today, so I'm going to take you on a little adventure in cutting some elm. There's down the road, there's a 200-year-old tree that unfortunately had to come down. The trunk about the size of a circumference of a car, and so the branches are huge. Just sit tight, enjoy the ride. Let me just tell you something, I don't have much experience on a chainsaw, so whatever I do, probably not a good idea to follow. If you want safety tips and things, go to the professionals. So this adds a little bit more elm to the inventory. From here, depending on what I decide to do from it, I like to clean up the grain, take a look at it. Then I'll mill it down to the dimensions I need for whatever I want to make it out of. Some of this will be for bowls, some of this will be for a table, some of this will be for giving away, and so on and so forth. Oh my god! YouTube! YouTube! You're gonna be on YouTube, Hershey!